In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons to Mobirise. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in to Mobirise Online and add an extra button to a block that already includes buttons, all without any confusion. First, open your web browser and go to the Mobirise Online site. You'll land on the login page for the web-based editor. Using the online editor is convenient because everything runs in your browser and your projects sync to your account. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. If not, you'll see the sign in options. Choose Sign In with Google. When you click that, your browser may open a new tab or a small window for Google's sign-in flow. If nothing appears, check your pop-up blocker and allow the site to open the sign-in window. This is a standard, secure way to authenticate, and it saves you from remembering another password. Next, select your Google account to continue. If you use multiple Google accounts, make sure you pick the one that's connected to your Mobirise work. Follow the on-screen prompts until you're redirected back to Mobirise Online. Give it a moment to complete the sign-in. You should see your sites or the editor interface once it's done. Now open the page in the block where you want an additional button. Here's an important note. You can only add new buttons to a block that already has at least one button. That's how Mobirise is designed. The add control shows up when the block supports buttons. If you don't see any buttons in the block you're working with, switch to a block that includes them, such as a hero, call to action, or feature block that already shows a button. Click an existing button inside that block. This will activate the inline controls and settings panel for that component. You'll typically see options for text, link, style, and alignment once the button is selected, and this is where the add control becomes available. Click the add button control. A new button will appear alongside the one you selected, inheriting the general style of the block so it stays consistent with your design. Right away, update the new button's label to something clear and action-oriented, and set its link to the correct page section or external URL. Keep labels short, like Get Started, Learn More, or Contact Us, so they look good on both desktop and mobile. Before you finish, glance at the layout on different screen sizes using the preview. If spacing feels tight, adjust margins or alignment in the block's settings so your buttons are easy to read and tap. And that's it, quick and clean. You've added a new button to a Mobirise block in the online editor.